Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add custom product fields on Shopify. This is a fantastic way to collect specific information from your customers at the point of purchase, whether that's personalization details, custom measurements, or special instructions. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Shopify admin dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your store. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Online Store. This section is where you'll manage your store's theme, pages, and overall design, giving you complete control over how your customers experience your products. Now you'll see your current theme displayed. Next to it, you'll find an option that says Edit Theme. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the Theme Customizer, which is Shopify's visual editor that lets you make changes to your store's appearance and functionality without needing to write code from scratch. At the top of the screen, you'll notice it says Homepage. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, and from the options that appear, select Products. This switches your view to the Product Template section, where you can customize how individual product pages look and function. You'll now see a list of product templates. You can select the default product template, but for this example, I'm going to click on Custom Product Options. This template is specifically designed to accommodate additional fields and customizations, making it perfect for what we're trying to achieve. On the left side of the editor, locate and click on Product Information. This is the section that contains all the main elements of your product page, like the title, price, and description. It's also where we'll be adding our custom fields. Now click Add Block. A search field will appear where you can look for different block types. Type in Custom Liquid and click on it when it appears. The Custom Liquid block allows you to insert your own code directly into the theme, giving you the flexibility to add features that aren't available through standard blocks. At this point, I have sample code for custom product fields ready to go. I'll copy that code and paste it into the liquid code field that appears. This code will create the input fields where customers can enter their custom information. Depending on your needs, this could be text fields, drop-down menus, or checkboxes. Once the code is in place, you can arrange its position on the page by dragging the custom liquid block up or down. This lets you control exactly where these custom fields appear in relation to other elements like the Add to Cart button or product images. Take a moment to position it where it makes the most sense for your customer's shopping experience. When you're satisfied with the placement, click the Save button in the upper right corner. This will apply all your changes to the live product page. Your custom fields are now active and ready to collect information from customers. And that's it. You've successfully added custom product fields to your Shopify store, giving you a powerful way to gather exactly the information you need from each purchase. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.